Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to sell covered calls right here in ThinkorSwim. And if you want to do this, first select the correct trading account. So I'm using here a simulated trading, so that is fine. And then after that we go right here to trade, where we select right here all products, and then we search right here for NVIDIA. Click on NVIDIA, and then right now he will get us right here this massive list with a lot of options. Then what you need to know right here is if you go right here to one of these dates, so let's do this one, we can select right here at strikes, how many strikes you want to see. Normally it's standing on 4, but let's do all right now. And then you will find right here the puts and here the calls. Then we go down, and now we can search right here for good calls that we want to sell. So let's say we found right here a good sell option. You see that if I'm holding my mouse right here on this line, he says buy. And if you go more to the right, you see right here that he will show right here at bid sell and here also buy. So we are interested right here in the bid option, because right now what we're going to do, decide right here which one you want to sell. So let's do this one, double click on it. And then if you double click on this, he will throw it immediately right here to this chart. And then right now, if you want to sell this one, we go right here to confirm and send. Then this is right here, the order confirmation dialog. And then we click here on send. And then right now we just sold covered calls right here in ThinkorSwim. So this is how it works. And hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.